I'm Gabrielle Saza, and today I'm going to be making slime, and I'll show you how to do that. For today's slime, we need glue, borax, where you can find at Walmart, food coloring, that is optional, also sprinkles, optional as well, just for texture to the slime, to make it more satisfying, water, and 2 bowls. In one bowl, we're gonna mix 1 ounce of the glue. Set about 4th cup of the glue. Looks pretty good. And then now we're gonna mix the 4th cup of water with this. And if you did get food coloring, then this is the time to shine. And I'm gonna do a few drops. Okay, that works. And then I'm going to have my lovely volunteer mix it up. And now we observe what happens. Okay. So now we're going to add the 4th cup of borax into the solution, and then we're gonna stir it slowly. And then, as you will see, it is beginning to look like slime. So for that extra pizzazz, we're gonna add some sprinkles and get that texture. And voila, you have your slime. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your sliming.